Hello guys, this is a quick tutorial for you. If you're having trouble connecting your GoPro Black 8 or any other in this matter, having problem connecting to your PC, there's a quick fix here. So before I was looking, lots of people saying lots of wrong things online, asking us to download this and that and everything, and the problem is not going to go away. So first thing you need to do is you just need to get your actual GoPro cable. Okay, with your GoPro, you need to use that to connect to your PC, right? And then what you do, just go to your GoPro. Let me see if I can take the GoPro out of the stand. A bit better. So this is GoPro 8. Okay. So the best thing to do is just turn on. Right. Now what you do, just go to this, scroll this down and go to the screen where it says preferences. Can you see? It's not clear, is it? Okay. Because let me show you how can I zoom that in. Okay, so just click on preferences. Okay, so scroll down. God, this is messing me up. Sorry for the delay. So just go to click on preferences. Okay, then you can see connections. So click on connections and then scroll down, USB connections. So this is, if this is on GoPro Connect, after the update, that's gonna happen. It's gonna change to GoPro Connect. So what you need to do is you just need to change it to MTP connection. So M for mother, T for tango, P for papa, MTP connection. That's what you need to do. Then what you do, you just connect back to your computer, and then you'll be able to transfer your files from GoPro to your computer. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed or if this video helped you, please give me a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you for watching.